Welcome to ET Studio at MoEngage's Growth Summit in association with ET Brand Equity. And with me, I have Chetan Siyal, who is the founding member and CMO for Snitch. A very warm welcome to you.
Thank you so much. How are you?
All good. Thank you so much. Chetan, walk me through retail as a sector and what personalization means to you.
I think retail is a sea, right? And today, how it's actually growing is phenomenal. What is personalization in that also is basis the online behavior, which is actually translating into the offline experience, that people want that same unified experience across channels, right? There is no differentiation between what is online and what is offline. If I am able to experience something on a screen, I need to be experiencing the same and a lot more offline. So how do you actually bring that together and stitch it up in one piece? I think that's what personalization means today. So it's a lot more evolved than just sending you a custom coupon code as a message or saying, you know what, a new arrival is in stock for you. But it's a lot more to do with if you have bought, say, X style so many days back, can I sell you something, or can I tell you what might be of interest to you? If you bought a shirt, can I tell you that, you know what, these particular trousers that we've dropped in new fit perfectly well, and can I tie the same journey from an offline experience also? So I think that's the kind of experience and that's the kind of unification that's happening, and I think those strategies are winning games for us.
Retail brands are big on AI, almost all of them. How is it boosting your productivity when it comes to marketing your products?
I think it's not limited to marketing. It's limited, or rather, it's opened up a huge environment for us, right? It is from the design stage of actually getting a design from a system to on ground. What used to actually take a designer probably about 10 days to figure something out can happen within few hours and with the right prompts and with the right insight. Then the go-to market, your photo shoots today, I think so much experimentation that has happened with AI, the models that people are actually investing in. You don't need fancy locations, you don't need studio setups. Everything is happening at behind a system and a prompt. All you need is the right prompt, and making things and life easier, and it can go beyond your imagination and not limited to if this is the particular location, this is how it needs to be. I think your imagination is the key to unlocking its true potential. So yeah.
I'm going to be, playing along and also using a spin ball here for you. So, given you a situation, you have a marketing, a stack tool versus your, one platform, unified platform that has everything. What is it that you will win versus what is the thing that you will lose?
I think what I would like to win is a unified marketing stack for sure, right? Because you need everything in one place. You need a live view of what's happening across different channels and how do you actually extract that data and use it in your benefit, rather than switching between different apps, different channels, and trying to figure and trying to summarize what's the takeaway, what's the action note. I think a unified marketing stack is what will be a winning game changer for us.
Before I let you go, what is that one thing that you see foreplaying when it comes to AI in the future? And future, I'm not talking about a year, I'm talking about 6 months now.
I think there's a big misconception that AI is going to take jobs. I'm sure a lot of people keep saying it. What I strongly believe is it is not. It is just going to make you much smarter. And how do you actually make the best use of AI is what is going to keep you up in the game. So yeah, some jobs might be affected, but there are a lot of alternatives in which that same skill or that same resource can be utilized. And this is use it as a support or as an assistant, and not as a devil that's going to actually take jobs or take anything away from you. So it's just going to make you smarter, it's going to make you earn better, it's going to simplify or optimize your costs. And yeah, it's going to be a win for all of us.
So you're saying AI equals to enabler?
100%.
Wonderful. It was lovely talking to you, Chetan. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much. Thank you.